Hello everyone, and welcome to this training session on data integrity and the ALCOA plus principles. In pharmaceutical and life sciences industries, data is not just information. It is evidence that our products are safe, effective, and compliant. In this session, we will break down ALCOA Plus in a simple and practical way so you can apply it confidently in your daily work. Today, the pharmaceutical industry is moving rapidly toward digital systems and automated processes. At the same time, regulatory authorities are paying much closer attention to data integrity. Reliable and trustworthy data is essential because it directly affects patient safety, product quality, and regulatory compliance. Without strong data integrity, organizations risk regulatory action, recalls, and loss of public trust. Data integrity ensures that every record generated during manufacturing, testing, and quality activities is reliable and accurate. Regulatory agencies such as the FDA, EMA, and WHO require strict control over data to ensure product safety. When data integrity fails, the consequences can be serious, including warning letters, product recalls, and damage to company reputation. The concept of ALCOA was introduced in the early 1990s by FDA expert Dr. Stan Woolen. He created this acronym as a simple tool to help inspectors and organizations evaluate the quality of records. ALCOA represents 5 essential characteristics that every piece of regulated data must meet. Over time, this concept evolved to address modern electronic systems and digital records. ALCOA consists of 5 key principles. Attributable. We must know who performed the action and when. Legible. The information must be clear and readable. Contemporaneous. Data must be recorded at the time the activity occurs. Original. The first recorded data or a certified true copy must be maintained. Accurate. The information must reflect the true observation without errors or manipulation. Now let us look deeper into each principle and understand how it applies to our daily work in laboratories, production areas, and quality departments. These principles form the foundation of good documentation practices. The first principle is attributable. Every record must clearly show who performed the activity and when it was performed. This is usually done through signatures, initials, employee IDs, or electronic user accounts. This ensures accountability and traceability in all regulated activities. The second principle is legible. All records must be clear and readable for the entire retention period. Poor handwriting, erased data, or overwritten entries can create confusion and regulatory concerns. Clear and permanent documentation ensures transparency and easy review. Contemporaneous means recording data at the time the activity occurs. Data should never be written later from memory. Backdating entries or reconstructing records is considered a serious data integrity violation. Real-time documentation is essential for maintaining trust in records. Original refers to the first recorded data. This could be the original paper record, a printout from an instrument, or a validated electronic record. If copies are used, they must be verified as certified true copies and must remain traceable to the original source. The final principle in ALCOA is accurate. Data must represent the true observation without manipulation or errors. Corrections must follow proper procedures and must never hide the original entry. Accuracy is essential because decisions about product quality depend on reliable data. To strengthen data integrity further, regulators introduced additional principles known as ALCOA Plus. These additional elements address the full life cycle of data and modern compliance expectations. Complete means all data must be recorded. This includes repeated tests, failed runs, and investigations. Nothing should be omitted or selectively recorded. Complete data ensures transparency and allows proper scientific evaluation. Consistent means the sequence of data must make logical sense. Dates, times, and steps must follow the correct order. Inconsistencies in timestamps or entries often indicate potential data integrity issues. Enduring means records must be preserved securely throughout the required retention period. Data should remain protected from loss, damage, or unauthorized modification. Proper storage systems are essential to maintain long-term accessibility. Available means data must be easily retrievable whenever needed. During audits, inspections, or investigations, records must be accessible without delay. Good data management systems ensure quick and reliable access to information. As technology evolves, expectations for data integrity also increase. Modern systems require additional transparency and traceability across the entire data lifecycle. This expanded concept is sometimes referred to as ALCOA++. In electronic systems, audit trails play a critical role. Audit trails record every change made to the data, including who made the change and when. Electronic signatures and timestamp records provide strong traceability and help prevent unauthorized modifications. Regulatory agencies frequently report serious data integrity failures. Examples include missing audit trails, untraceable data changes, and manipulated laboratory results. These violations often lead to warning letters, product recalls, and major financial penalties. Data integrity failures are rarely isolated mistakes. Regulators often view them as indicators of deeper problems within the organization's quality culture. Maintaining strong data integrity protects both patient safety and company credibility. To maintain strong data integrity, organizations must implement practical controls. Use validated systems with secure user access. Provide regular training on ALCOA principles. Record data in real time. Conduct routine reviews. And implement reliable data backup and archival procedures. Data integrity must be maintained across the entire data lifecycle. This includes data creation, recording, review, storage, and archival. Building ALCOA checkpoints into each stage ensures consistent compliance and quality. Data integrity is not only the responsibility of the quality department. Every person who generates, records, reviews, or handles data plays a critical role. Applying ALCOA+ principles daily helps build a strong culture of quality. Remember this important message: data integrity drives quality, and quality drives patient safety. By applying ALCOA+ principles consistently in your work, you help protect patients, maintain compliance, and strengthen trust in healthcare.